Come on, Moto.
Whoa, there goes the bucket. Now it's broken.
That was awesome! So you see in the bucket there, we got some gas. In the middle of that gas is an island made of concrete. We got our motor sitting on the wick going down into the gas. Only way to get this thing to go up is to shoot at it with your Roman candle from a safe distance. Safety first. Flip the bucket upside down, you can save it.
Yeah, Bobby, you're all about the bucket.
You gotta save the bucket!
I don't know.
Plastic, it's gonna kill the environment. Oh, fuck, there's a rocket. Kick it over! Kick it over! Holy dog shit!
Come on. Oh shit, what's going on now? Oh shit.
Yeah!
That came right for you. You see how high the bucket is?
See, I even.
Don't jump, Jeff. Better get a good video. Moto, stop. Sit. Moto, sit. Oh my God. Moto.
Oh. Yeah, I definitely jumped.
I did not see that happening. I didn't know it was going to blow the thing to pieces.